Okay, so today we're going to create a new blog on Blogger. Once you log into Blogger and you're in a Google, make sure that you're in a Google website or Google Drive account so that you can access Blogger. You're going to click Create a New Blog, and then you're going to come to this screen and you're going to title your blog something to do with Frankenstein. So Frank Blog 1, okay, and then maybe Frank Blog 1 as well, and then it will tell you whether or not, oh, it's not available, so we'll have to go to maybe 4, and then that one is available, so we'll leave that there. And then you get to choose from one of these amazing customized themes. I like the contemporary. I also like the watermark. So we'll try the contemporary, and then we'll say create blog. We'll say no thanks to that, and then we will create a new post. Okay, so I know that this looks like a blank screen, but this is where you will type your blog text. You can add pictures, videos, links, emoticons, change the text color, use text background color, change the font, etc. But this is where you will type your page. If you go to the preview, let's see. Okay, if you go to the preview, you will see that it will show up on the actual blog page. Now, once you are finished with your blog entry, you will need one blog entry per chapter or per section. So once you're finished with the blog entry or blog entries, so to speak, then you will publish. That way everyone can see it, and you will get the link for us, and then we will be able to see it, and then your classmates will be able to see. Here's the link. Then your classmates will be able to comment on your blogs. Okay, thank you very much.